Hi, welcome to this session. In this session, we will see about overview of challenges, how the challenges will be given to you, and how you need to given solutions to solve these challenges assigned to you. We will see the overviews how it will be assigned by the students. Complete MySQL from scratch. That is the boot camp. This is the course we have designed for the course where the student required to have a challenge, and what are the challenges when the student is required to have and recap the knowledge once again what he have learned so far. Now see how it is prepared for the challenges. Throughout the course you will learn what are the challenges. The basis of this challenge scenario will be that you have been hired as an SQL engineer for a database application where you will hands-on required to solve your challenges would be like real-time cases it would be given to you. And the solutions to the challenges here it will be always provided by these sessions. Like challenges are very simple, basically asking you to repeat the previous lectures what we have covered so far, where challenges is asked based on the given video sessions and lectures and the course completion. It would be beyond this only. And later you will be provided the solutions or walk through video training lessons and sessions of for these challenges will be given to you. And the challenges may be shown up what you have learned so far. So always be ready for tricky challenges to solve them with you have to apply your mind, where we will give you a simple solution based on the challenges what we have covered so far the course. Whereas here it will give you a more advantage you to understand about the scenario and you to create one more challenge with that. You have to analysis and a scenario. For an example, I have given a solution like a challenge for you to create a database table with one table to another table like a product table with the items, which is having a primary key of the product table and a foreign key for the items table. Whereas you have to assume that that is in a transaction and payments table. One scenario I'll give you, you have to analyze yourself and make you the convenient to create one more tricky challenges and solve them. Then you will have a great idea to solve the solutions, and when you face in a real-time scenario like any of the solution like challenges if you face it like this, you will get very easy manner and easy way to getting solutions to identifying where you want to exactly focusing of the points. Enjoy while writing the queries by cracking these type of simple solutions while enjoying the learning. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.